This is the new Dynam E-Razor 250 3D helicopter. The E-Razor 250 comes ready to fly and is capable of full 3D aerobatics. The E-Razor 250 comes with a carbon fiber frame and fully upgraded aluminum main and tail system, making it extremely lightweight and durable. This helicopter is powered by a 4800 kV brushless motor and a 15 amp ESC. It also comes with a GY192 headlock gyro, making it extremely stable during flight. Included in the box, you'll find a 2-cell 7.4 volt 850 milliamp LiPo battery, a balance charger, an Allen wrench, an AC power adapter, and a 6-channel 2.4 GHz transmitter. The E-Razor 250 helicopter is small, lightweight, and extremely capable. For more information on the new Dynam E-Razor 250, please visit xheli.com.